This is how we fix notifications being black and white. Currently mine are black and white. We have our icons that are a little bit colorful, but sometimes those can be black and white too, which you might be experiencing. So these are the steps to get our notifications appear as they used to. So first things first, if you have the clear display like this for your apps, we got to turn that off. So tap and hold anywhere in an open space on the home screen, tap on edit, tap on customize, choose default, and then we should see some change. Nope, not really. Not yet. Next step, go to settings. Scroll up to or down to display and brightness and try turning on light mode and then check notifications. They're still black and white, so that's not it for my case anyway, but that might solve it for you. Different solutions can solve it for different people because there's so many variables that go into customization of appearance. Next thing you want to try is go to accessibility, go to display and text size, and then pay attention to these three options. If they're turned on, try turning them off. You can do it one by one or do the whole batch and then see notifications. And now mine are back to normal. It's not black and white, it's black and glass, which is the current design. But you can also increase contrast, and I believe that'll make the glass more cloudy. No, that's what makes it black. Reduce transparency makes it cloudy. Nope, also black. Anyway, you can toggle between those to figure out a display or a design that you like. And hopefully one of those steps or all those steps help get your notifications back to how you like them. You're not going to be able to go 100% back to how they were because this is a new iOS and we can't go back 100%, but we can get pretty close. If this video helps you, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right here, which shows you how to empty your iPhone trash. I know it sounds weird. You've probably never done it, but you should probably do it. So check out that video and I'll see you there.